Today we're going to attempt to recreate black ice. So this is an in-game cosmetic skin that you can put on stuff like the C75 Auto. So I want to see if we can actually do this in real life. However, we're going to make it actually transparent. So to start with, you'll find a link in the description below which has files for a toy C75, so you can actually 3D print this yourself. Of course, I'm resin printing this, which means we can get incredible quality, but we can also get transparent resin as well. So today we're going to be using Smoky Black. You'll find a link in the description below if you want to give this a go yourself. And a quick disclaimer here, all the files we're printing off are for a toy. As you'll see from the transparency of this, there's nothing actually inside. So this is just a toy and a prop that we're trying to make look like something in-game with the Black Ice weapon skin. And also, we're not trying to make this look perfect because we're actually trying to take it a step further and make it actually transparent, because the one in game is not. And as such, it's not going to look the same once we complete this, but I'm hoping to get close. And then this model itself has no instructions for assembly. Most of it's kind of simple, but it is a little bit like, okay, how do all these different parts go together? Especially this piece here, you got to squeeze it right in. Then you got this part to go in here, but this is showing off our transparency beautifully. And I'm really loving the overall look of this so far. I will say this resin is smoky black, it's called. And by the end of this, it's blue. Like it's just blue. But still, we're managing to get mostly the right kind of look out of it. And I think the white pieces here are really helping to bring together the kind of frosty overall look of it. And then you'll notice here that this part I've actually printed off in both white and black. We do need two of them anyway. And I'm not sure if I should just go ahead and make two white or two black, because the in-game version, the kind of more default look is black, but then I kind of like how the white looks on it. So let me know in the comments below which one is the better one to choose. And then due to this being a resin print, the way it all goes together is so freaking cool. It is really nice. Now, there's also a satisfying overall aspect to this, which is the clickiness. So have a listen to how this goes in. I think that's beautiful. That is well done with how the model has been designed. And then as you can see, the upside down one goes on the front. So yeah, I think probably in person, it's better to go with the white overall, but the black is more of what really you would see in game. But either way, it looks great. And you can see here how transparent this is. Very much depends on what kind of lighting you've got. I'm filming right now in Scottish winter lighting, so it's quite dull. However, once we got to this part, I went ahead and gave the whole thing a gloss coat because I want this to look like it is shiny and, of course, icy. Now, the biggest difference here to the actual in-game version is that the in-game one has a gradient going from kind of the dark blues to the actual white and kind of a frosty white. Now, I could probably easily recreate that with just a very simple spray paint of white spray paint towards the front of it. But I'm not brave enough to do that. Maybe we'll try that in a future one to kind of mess around, but that would probably give us a nice frosty white look to the front and add that gradient on. However, yeah, I just like this too much to go and potentially mess it up with a spray paint like that. So it might be something we'll do in the future, but this here today is a proof of concept and my first ever time working with transparent resins, because I wasn't sure how this was going to go. I used water washable ones here because I believe the ones you would have to wash with the alcohol makes them go foggy and they have a lot more cleanup to do to make them transparent. Whereas with these, they're water washable, they're still transparent after that process, and then adding a clear coat makes them look really good. And I could of course sand them and stuff like that, but I think with this, what we're trying to do here, it doesn't need that. And certainly I've learned a lot making this, and it also just looks really cool. But anyway, guys, let us know what you think in the comments below, especially with actually any suggestions for improving this. Of course, I went with smoky black resin here, but maybe I should have just went for full clear and done like an internal paint job or something like that to give it a much more icy overall look. Because this does just end up looking like it's transparent blue at the end of the day. And of course, if you enjoy this kind of stuff, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.